Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, from today onwards, I'll be taking second class English for you all. My name is Nusrat Begum and I am class teacher of second A. Okay children, how are you all? I think all are safe at home. Do watch our YouTube classes children which we are sending you, and after watching complete your homework what teacher is giving to you, and tell your parents to click a picture of it and send it in the WhatsApp group which we have already created. And I really want to appreciate all the children who have sent their yesterday's homework. Very good. Well done children. Keep it up. I want all the second class children to submit your homework in the WhatsApp group. Children, today we will start our next block.
Yes, children. So let us start our block, children. Today we are going to start block 5, children. A silly poem. Lesson number 1 is something new. Keywords are mismatched, rhyme, rhythm, beat, silly, zing. Okay, na children? This is our lesson. For this we have to open our reader, children. All of you open your reader. Yes, children, all of you open your reader, page number 32, children. Here, something new. Yes, children, let us start reading the rhyme. Okay, children? There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some zing. Ever smile with your eyes and laughed with your nose? You could try it out and see how it goes. Try walking on your hands and writing with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. Doing new things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That's rule number 1. Okay, children, this is the poem, children, about this boy. He will be around your age only, children. So what he's telling us to do something new, to have fun in our lives. Yes, children, what he is telling? Ever smile with your eyes. Children, we smile with our mouth, no children, with the help of lips we smile. But you ever tried to smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose? Okay, so this boy is telling us to do new things. You could try it and see how it goes. Try walking on your hand. See, this boy is walking on his hand. And writing with your toes. He is writing with his toes. Draw rhino flying high over a giant blue rose. And then breakfast. When do we have breakfast? We have breakfast in the morning. But what this boy is telling us to do? Have breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Silly things he is telling children in the poem. Wear mismatched socks. He is telling us to wear the mismatched socks. Comb with a spoon. Yes, children, can we comb with a spoon? No, but the boy is telling us to try something new, try something silly. Okay, doing new things can be fun, children, but the rule number 1 is to be safe. Okay, children, the rule number 1 is to be safe. Once again, we'll read the poem, children. Okay, and afterwards you can try this poem. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some zing. Ever smiled with your eyes and laughed with your nose? You could try it out and see how it goes. Keep walking on your hands and writing with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. Doing new things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That's rule number 1. Yes, children, rhymes we have to learn with a rhythm, children. Rhymes means what, children? They will have rhyming words in them. Okay, I think when you were small you have learned so many rhymes, children. There is a tune, there is a rhythm, there is a beat, okay, in rhymes. Okay. Yes, children. So rhymes should be in that way only. It should be like a song. Now what we will do, take a pencil, children. Now let us underline the rhyming words in this poem, children. Okay, fine. What I told you in previous class also, children, the rhyming words will be at the last of the line. Okay, let us see. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some zinc. Here, children, the second line we have a rhyming word here, thing, and fourth line, zinc. Okay, children, thing, zing, thing, zing, ing, ing. The last letters will be same. Okay, rhyming words means the last letters will be same. The sound will be same or the letters will be same. That is called rhyming words. And in a rhyme, the rhyming words are given at the last of the line, children. In this rhyme, we have rhyming word in second line and fourth line. Had and silly. Had, silly are rhyming? No, they are not rhyming. Come to the next para, children. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose. Here we will underline nose, and then fourth line it is goes. Nose, goes. Rhyming words. Nose, goes. Next, let us underline toes. Yes, children. Here toes, second line, fourth line, rose. Okay, TOES, toes, ROSE, rose. Toes, rose, rhyming words. Next, noon, NOON, noon. Fourth line will be spoon. Noon, spoon. Noon, spoon. Next paragraph, children. Here, fun, one. Here, last letters are not same, children, but the sound they make is same. Fun, one. Okay, children, fun, one. Rhyming words. Let us read. Thing, zing. Nose, goes. Toes, rose. Noon, spoon. Fun, one. Rhyming words can children at the last of the line. In every poem, the rhyming words will be given in the last of the line. In this rhyme, the rhyming words given in second line and fourth line. Second line and fourth line. Second line and fourth line. Okay, children? Till here you understood, children? Yes? Okay. Now, children, here ting, zing is rhyming word. Can you add another rhyming word for this ting and zing, children? What will be the another rhyming word? Sing. Ting, zing, sing. Okay. Now, nose, goes. Any other rhyming word for nose, goes, children? Can you think of any other word which rhymes with nose, goes? Does. Okay, children? Yes. Now, toes, rose. Any other rhyming word which rhyme with toes and rose? Yes, goes. Okay. Here, goes also will come as it will rhyme with toes. Now, noon, spoon. Noon, spoon. Any other rhyming word with which rhyme with noon or spoon? Noon, spoon can be toon, children. TOON, toon. Toon is also will rhyme with noon, spoon. Last one is fun, one. So, what is the another word which rhyme with these two words? Bun. Yes? Okay, come on. This is the poem, children. You have to read it. Okay, page number 32. Read. After watching the video, read the poem, children. Okay, try to by heart it. If it is not, you can read the poem. Understand the poem. The poem is about a boy who is around your age, and he is telling us to try something new. Why he is telling us to try something new, children? Because he is telling that something new, if we try, it will have fun in our lives. Okay, children? Fine. Yes, now take out your workbook. Okay, workbook page number 31. We have started block 5, silly poem. S1 is something new. Okay, here you have to write the date. Now first one, what is given? Let us see. Underline the rhyming words in this poem. Okay, here one poem is there. Let us read that and we will underline the poem. Underline the rhyming words in the poem. What great friends were the lion and mouse. They played hide and seek inside the house. And then came a spider whose eyes were blue. He sang a song and went inside the shoe. Yes, here also they have given rhyming words in second and fourth line, children. If you see here, mouse, underline it, children, with pencil. House, blue, shoe. What great friends were the lion and mouse. The rhyme is about lion and mouse. They played hide and seek inside the house. Lion and mouse used to play hide and seek inside the house. Then what happened? There came a spider. And how was the spider? The spider eyes were blue. Then he sang a song and went inside the shoe. The spider came with his blue eyes, sang a song and went inside the shoe. Here you have to underline the rhyming words. Rhyming words will come at the last of the line, children. Okay? The rhyming words can be first line and second line. It can be first line and second line. But here they have given in the second line and fourth line. Second line and fourth line. Okay, children? Fine. Children, you know what is the difference between a rhyme and a story, children? Yes, a story will be very big, children. Yes, story will be very long. Yes, and it don't have any rhyming words in the story. But in rhymes, poems will be short and will have rhyming words. Okay? Cut, chalo. Now let us come to the second question. Write one rhyming word for each word. Write one rhyming word for each word. Bake cake. Bake cake. First one is done for us. Children, here I am writing rhyming words, but you can write the words of your own also, children. You can write the other words also. For example, bake, cake, lake, take. Yes, there are so many words which rhyme with bake and cake. Next one I am writing here. Next one, D-O-G, dog. I will write here log. L-O-G, log. But if you want, you can write log, or else you can try for another word and you can write fog. Yes, children, there are so many rhyming words, OG words. Okay. Next, honey. Third one is H-O-N-E-Y, honey. I am writing here M-O-N-E-Y, money. Honey, money. T-O-A-S-T, toast. Toast, ghost. G-H-O-S-T, ghost. Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. H-E-A-D, head. Okay. The words the letters can be same, children. Last letters can be same, or the sound can also be same, children. See here. Okay. Now, write. R-I-G-H-T, write. Let us write tight. T-I-G-H-T, tight. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. B-O-A-T, boat. S-O-N-G, song. S-O-N-G, song. L-O-G, long. These rhyming words also you can write, or if you know any other words also you can write. Now children, let us come to question number 3. Make 2 sentences, each having a pair of rhyming words. Make 2 sentences, each having a pair of rhyming words. For example, I went to the lake and ate the cake. Children, in this sentence there are two rhyming words. See, lake and cake. Now we have to make another two sentences which should have pair of rhyming words. The sentence should have pair of rhyming words. Now what we will take, children, from above we can take any two rhyming words. Yes, children, dog and log. Yes, dog and log. With the help of dog and log, we have to make the sentence. What, children, we can make like this? The dog is sitting on the log. Yes, yes, you can write, children. THE, the dog, DOG, dog. IS is sitting, SITTING, sitting on on a log, 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 full stop. See, children, dog and log are rhyming words. Yes, come on. Now you can take any of the words from the above given rhyming words and you can make. I am writing here, I will take goat and boat, children. Okay. THE, the little, LITTLE, little goat, GOAT, goat. Had, HAD, had. A big, BIG, big. Boat, 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 full stop. So what are the rhyming words here? Goat and boat. Okay, children? Goat and boat. You can make any other sentences also, like song and long. If you take, you can write, I like a song which is very long. In that way you can make sentences with rhyming pair. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now let us start our classwork book, children. Here you can write the date 18/9/2020. 18th September 2020. Whenever we are starting a new block, children, how we are starting block 5th, no, children? Yes, so what you have to do, you have to put double margin. Okay, with the help of scale and red color pencil, like this you have to put a double margin, children. Here one top one line, okay, and here another line. Like this you have to put double margin, and then we will write block. Here we will write block, BLOCK, block 5, silly, 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 poem, POEM, poem. Children, all should write the letters touching to the correct lines. Okay, children, already we have learned how to write in our first class. Yes, children, all of you all. I am Nusrat teacher. Okay, so everybody knows how to write. I want everyone's writing to be very neat. Like this you have to put double margin, write down block 5, silly poem. First one we will write keywords, capital KEY, keywords, WORDS, keywords. Number 1, silly, SILLY, silly. Thing, THING, thing. Little, LITTLE, little. Nose, NOSE, nose. Toes, TOES, toes. Giant, GIANT, giant. mismatched. 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 Can you see, children? Okay, wait, children. Yes, first one is silly, thing, little, nose, toes, giant, mismatched. Okay, children, all these keywords you have to write neatly in your notebook. I want all the children to please watch the videos which we are sending you through YouTube and do your work. Okay, complete your classwork, complete your workbook. Okay, children. And children, page number 32, you have to read the rhyme also. Something new poem is there, no? All should read that. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.